Hello everyone, Yuval from PPC Winner with another short video with a tip how to make money using our audit tool, the cool SuperAnalyzer that helps you understand better your PPC campaigns on Amazon. And today I want to talk how to make money from your competitors. So what we would do, we have here 40 different reports. What I would do, I would go into the auto campaigns converters. So here I will see the ASINs that I'm actually making money on. As you can see here, I have 38 ASINs that I generated 20,000 in sales while spending only $1,300. So what I want to do with this is basically create a competitor campaigns based on some of these ASINs, maybe not on all of them, and create basically a product targeting campaign. So I will go here to the full report, which you can download from the SuperAnalyzer. Then I will filter here, which I already did in advance, and I will find only the ASINs. Now those ASINs right now, first I can analyze them and understand which one of them are selling better and why, and choose which one of them I want actually to create a competitor campaign on them. And this way, very fast, I will create very specific campaigns that will help me focus my budget on ASINs and competitors, which are really generating for me more sales. So I'm Yuval, PPC Winner, with another great tip of how to use this cool tool of SuperAnalyzer, this audit tool, to actually make more money. Thank you and see you in the next video.